Today we are going to Thunderbird to try their spiciest food. I'll give it to them. It looks as good in real life than it does on social media. Look at these, absolute dripping in sauce. The wings are very well done. A little bit of a crunch, probably because it's so drowned in sauce, it loses that little bit of crispness. The meat inside the chicken, very good. From the outside, looks a little bit thin. This is very similar to a Zinger burger, flavour-wise. I'm gonna give this 6.4. Quality of the meal, very, very nice. And I would want it more hearty in terms of the meat content and a better value price.